Hey guys, back with another Photoshop tutorial. Today I'm going to show you just how to make a simple background for any type of picture. You can use it with any kind of colors, but I just thought it looked cool, and you can use it for text, your computer screen background, or anything. So first you want to go to File, select New, and it doesn't really matter if it's transparent or not, but you can make it whatever size you want, depending on how big you want it for whatever you're going to use it for. Press OK. Now I'm just going to use the size of my computer screen. Now what you want to do is you want to use your gradient tool. Pick two colors. I'm using this green color and a black. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to drag from beyond the picture up to the other corner so that it has I used the wrong one. Drag from off to the corner, and so it'll show it like this. And you can, if you want more black up here, just drag and then like that, but I think this is good enough. Then what you want to do is create a new layer, and then when you're at your gradient tool, you want to go up here, click on this, and it'll bring up the gradient editor. And I don't like just these two colors, so I'm going to add another color to it, kind of like a tint. So I'm going to drag this color, stop over to the middle, and drag the color over to the middle. And then I'm going to click over here for a new thing, and click up here for a new one, and then double click on this. Double click on the bottom one, and pick a new color. I'm going to pick a nice dark blue color. And so it'll look like that. Then you want to press OK. And then on your new layer, drag from one corner to the other corner, and you'll have this. But we don't want this. So what you want to do is turn the opacity down to really low, and you should be able to see these little lines, which makes it look really cool. I don't want too much blue, so I'm going to turn it down to about 15, and I think that looks really good. The next thing is you want to download a brush. I will have the link in the description, and it has like lines, and I'll show you, like, create a new layer, and I'm going to do it with black, and see they're like lines, but I'm going to make the picture bigger. But what you want to do to be able to edit the brush easier is click on your brush and go up to where the size is, and right next to it there's this little like cup and a paintbrush folder. Click on that, and it'll bring up all those different things. I'm just going to drag this over here. And now I'm going to make it really big, and these lines are diagonal, and see, it's really big. And I'm going to turn my spacing down all the way to 1% and leave everything else the way it is, and then just click on the picture. So it'll look like that. You can even make it smaller so it's they're more together. So to undo, just press Control Z if you're on a PC, and just make it small enough so it'll fit on the entire picture. And it looks like this will be good. And so now the lines are even closer together. And to make this small, just press these little two arrows right here to collapse it. Then I'm going to make this smaller so it's not in the way. And then since you have all these lines, that doesn't look really good, does it? So I'm going to turn the opacity down to like almost nothing, like 5% looks pretty good. And you'll have this, and I think this looks pretty cool. I can even add a little more black to this if I want to, so I can do this, do that, so it has a little bit more black. And yeah, that's basically it. Like, you can change the color and then add text and stuff. And mine's really small right now. Let's make it really big. Make it on top, the top layer. Like that, and you can change, you want to highlight it to change the font, and you can do like the different fonts. You can download fonts, and you can look at my other videos to find that, how to download fonts and things. Let's see, what's a good font? I like this one. There's one that I liked. I don't know what its name is. So you can make it really big, or like that, and it looks really clean and nice. And then to get this to regular layer, right click on the layer and rasterize type, and they'll make it to a normal layer so you can do things. And then after you're all done, just merge, right click on any of the layers and merge visible, and they're all go together. Then go to File, Save As, and just change the format to PNG, because that's the best type of picture file. It makes it really HD and everything. And then file name, you can name it whatever. Name it PS369. And then press OK. And then what you'll want to do is, I'm going to show you the example. I'll make it as my background. Give me a second. Has none saving it. It takes a while to save if you save it HD. So here it is. See, it's really big. And so I'm going to right click on it, set as desktop background. And here it says my desktop background. And see, you can see the lines, and it looks really good, and the nice HD text. And overall, it's a great quality photo. So tell me what you think of the tutorial, and show me your pictures that you made. But thanks for watching. See my other videos to see other tutorials, and leave a comment letting me know if you want any other kind of tutorials. So please like and subscribe.